Hello, my name is Joanne Spotted Bear. I'm originally from Wounded Knee. My grandfather's Wambliwa Gichita. He's from Standing Rock. What I am about to say is very, very important. There is a division in Standing Rock, and the division that we are talking about is that there's a judicial review that nobody ever talks about, and that is the 1933 bankruptcy, where Roosevelt fired Congress and he fired himself, and that treaties are supreme law of the land. And there's two constitutions. The first one, it was null and void, and the second one never signed, so therefore you go back to the first constitution. But whether it's the first constitution, the second constitution, or the third constitution at the UN, every single one of them describes that treaties are supreme law of the land. And so because the 1851 Fort LARAMIE Treaty bypassed Congress, made it to the Chronicle list of international treaties, this is not just a national treaty, national issue or a Standing Rock issue. It is a national issue and an international issue. So what I'd like to do is pull a class action lawsuit and make it a question as to why the United States failed to ratify, dialogue, or notify 564 plus federal recognized tribes, including North and South America and the world. And that because the treaties, the last treaties ever signed were in 1871, why did the United States continuously go around the world to manipulate the people by signing treaties, knowingly that they're a for-profit corporation under 28 USC 3002. For-profit corporations cannot sign treaties, and that is treason against treaties. Therefore, there's also a land issue. The Bureau of Land Management, under the Department of Interior, Bureau of Land Management, ran by Harry Reid for the last 35 years, created a document called the Nevada Royal Jasper Quarterly. In the Nevada Royal Jasper Quarterly, they left out treaties, meaning that with the courts and the law stating treaties are supreme, the Fort LARAMIE Treaty 1851 is a land negotiation agreement, a right to passage. It's not a right to destroy land, water, or resources. So with this being said, this now carries a judicial review on many issues that open up both national and international people's concerns, as well as the United Nations. What I'm asking for international lawyers to help write a document that'll support both national and international, due to the fact Washington, D.C. Court of Appeals has no jurisdiction over treaties. The Supreme Court, because of the bankruptcy of 1933, the United States went and sine die, right?
Sine die.
Sine die. Meaning never to meet again. And with that being said, the Supreme Court is also in question. I'm not saying they don't have jurisdiction, but I'm not saying they do have jurisdiction. I'm saying that the court issue of the Fort LARAMIE Treaty 1851 has jurisdiction at The Hague in the Netherlands, and we would like all the judges and lawyers in the Netherlands to really take a look at the Dakota Access Pipeline in the state of North Dakota concerning the United States and the 1933 Bankruptcy Act, due to the fact that the problem is here in this country. So we'd like you to come over here. Our problems are not at The Hague, they're here. And so there's a lot of people who are poor and can't travel very far, especially around the world. So this United States issue needs to be a broad issue, justice in the eyes of the world for the people to see here in this country. Thank you very much. So by saying that, America's not a country under 28 USC 3002. Thank you. Go ahead.